Good morning, all of you. I'm Anuradha Ghosh, and today I am with an extremely distinguished soft skill trainer from Jaipur, Mr. Hemant. We had a very successful interactive session with Mr. Hemant with the MBA students, and the MBA students had a very interactive as well as very educative session with Mr. Hemant today. So I would like to ask Hemant sir, what was the main agenda that he had in mind while interacting with the MBA students today?
Good morning. And first of all, the agenda was absolutely unplanned. Because when I came here, I deliberately asked Mr. Sunil that do not plan anything. Let me come and talk to them raw. The purpose was, first of all, creating an environment where they can open up to talk. Because when they come as a fresher MBA student in any form, for any subject, in any discipline, the only thing is their hesitations should be removed. I also tried in my session that they come ahead and talk to me. The only thing I was able to do in this limited time session was I was able to plant a seed in their minds that they need to be open to this world. Before they step out to the corporate sector, they need to prepare themselves for certain things, and those things would definitely include their overall personality inside and outside, the way they think, the way they behave, and the way they perform when they go out. So we just had a discussion on this structure which we call, so my structure of talking was into think, learn, perform and transform. So this goes over a period of time, transforming ourselves and preparing ourselves for the totally different corporate sector or a corporate world outside is not a one day or a one night story. So definitely it is going to be a time old story where they will take some challenges ahead, they will learn new things. So my a little bit of effort today was to make them aware of what kind of transformations, what kind of changes they need to get into themselves as far as their personality is concerned, as far as their communication skills is concerned, as far as their preparation to go out and face the world is concerned. So we did a small interactive chat, not just very formal kind of, but a very informal kind of a chat, and I was happy to see that the students were very interactive. The students were very open for the talk, open for any dialogue. And the other thing was I threw some exercises, small exercises to them, just to check their way, how they think and to what extent they can think. Do they go beyond the box? Do they go beyond the boundaries? And many of them did so. So I was happy to see that they were thinking like not only within the topic but out of the topic also. So I really wish them a very good luck, all the best in their endeavor with whatever they learn in these 2 years to come, and a wonderful future ahead. And I certainly have no doubts that they are in a wonderful institution here with among a very experienced set of faculties, experienced set of management people here. And my personal wishes to the institution and the faculties and all the students for their future. Thank you.
Thank you, Hemant sir, and that was really very informative. I must tell all of you that I was present there in the session, and I also learned a lot, and he actually helped students understand the entire process of learning and transformation, which is very, very important for any professional. And he also helped us set some strategies which can be adopted very easily by the students to think, act, perform and transform. So I would really like to send a heartfelt thanks to Hemant sir, and would look forward to seeing him in future with all of us again. Thank you so much, Hemant sir.
Thank you so much. Thanks and all the best.